Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 17th of April, 2025, our system has ranked Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 1.69. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 18.60% since we first listed Trump Media and Technology Group as a buy candidate 6 days ago. This translates to an average return of 3.10% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock has broken a significant and downward short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is suggested, which may indicate an early signal of a trend reversal. Upon reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend that has been broken, which is $25.98, a level that could offer a second opportunity for upward movement. According to fan theory, $37.69 will be the next potential peak level, serving as a resistance point that may not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 32.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging between negative 62.93% and negative 32.55%. In the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 27.46%. Based on our computations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 93.26% to 20.74% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $1.76 and $21.56. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock upgraded to buy candidate. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price experienced a slight decline of 0.0382% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 25th of April, 2025, dropping from $26.15 to $26.14. Throughout that trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 6.35%, reaching a low of $25.66 and a high of $27.29. Notably, the price has increased in 7 out of the last 10 days, reflecting a rise of 39.12% over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume also decreased on the last day, alongside the stock price, which can be viewed positively as volume generally follows stock movements. On that day, the trading volume dropped by 1 million shares, with a total of 7 million shares exchanged for approximately $172,501,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price recorded was $56.55, while the lowest was $11.75. Currently, the price stands 53.78%, or $30.41, below the 52-week high, and 67.07%, or $53.24, below the all-time high reached on March 26, 2024, when the price hit $79.38. Recent developments surrounding Trump Media and Technology Group, trading under the symbol DJT, have sparked significant attention in the financial markets. On the 25th of April, Senator Elizabeth Warren's request for the Securities and Exchange Commission to provide records related to Trump Media's planned exchange-traded fund launch highlights potential regulatory concerns. This scrutiny may influence investor sentiment, leading to increased volatility around DJT as market participants assess the implications of these regulatory hurdles. In the days leading up to this request, DJT saw a remarkable surge, gaining over 25% in just a week, fueled by bullish market sentiment and a partnership with Crypto.com. This alliance is poised to enhance Trump Media's footprint in the financial services sector, particularly through the introduction of exchange-traded products via its TruthFi brand. However, the recent bullish momentum contrasts with concerns about market manipulation and naked short selling. Trump Media has accused certain hedge funds of engaging in suspicious trading practices, raising alarms about stock stability and investor confidence. Short-term investors may react to this news with caution, leading to potential sell-offs if the regulatory response intensifies. Overall, while the long-term outlook for DJT could benefit from its diversification into exchange-traded funds and cryptocurrency, short-term fluctuations are likely as the market reacts to regulatory scrutiny and trading allegations. These dynamics will be critical for investors to monitor in the weeks ahead as they assess the stock's performance. Analysts have assigned the Trump Media and Technology Group stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between the two signals, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, support is anticipated at $23.80 and $20.55. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal emerges from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been generated, which could affect the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, April 23, 2025, and so far, the stock has decreased by 0.91%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal, pivots, sell signal 3 days ago, Bollinger, buy signal, 44 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 7 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 5 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal, 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal, 53 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal, 48 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $22.87 and $22.04. There's a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support. In this instance, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation finds support just beneath today's level at $22.87. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $22.04 and $20.27. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is categorized as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.63 between its high and low, which represents a change of 6.35%. Over the past week, the stock has exhibited an average daily volatility of 7.89%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and could raise concerns regarding potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $26.38. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be an opportunity to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Trump Media and Technology Group faces its first support level at $22.87. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 11th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. On the 12th of March, 2025, Eric Swider executed another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. On the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan conducted an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan conducted another insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. Also, on the 10th of March, 2025, Philip Juhan sold 300 shares of common stock with a par value of $0.1/1000 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is positive with a ratio of 21.138. Overall, insiders purchased 226,179,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $25.18, reflecting a decrease of 3.69%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 82, further amplifying the risk involved. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Several short-term signals are showing positive trends, and the recent break from the declining trend suggests a potential shift. We believe that the price levels around this breaking point will present particularly good opportunities, while the current level may also serve as a favorable buy point for the short term. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, moving from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy candidate. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, April 28th, we anticipate that Trump Media and Technology Group will open higher by approximately 22 cents and begin trading at $26.36. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you concur or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you success in your trading endeavors and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.